What war did young Canadians willingly sign up for? As part of the United Nations force fighting in the Korean War, over 26,000 Canadian military personnel serve on the ground, on the sea, and in the air. 516 Canadians die, and more than 1,200 are wounded during Canada's third bloodiest overseas conflict. On July 27, 1953, the Korean Armistice Agreement is signed in Panmunjom, ending 3 years of fighting between North and South Korea. 44 years later, fallen comrades in what's often known as Canada's Forgotten War are honored for their sacrifice with a Wall of Remembrance.